Greetings, my name is Pedro Moreno and welcome to the first video evidence for practice 2 of the Advanced Electronics Laboratory, covering the operational amplifier in assuming amplifier configuration. First, we start with the mathematical verification. For this circuit, the output voltage is determined by the sum of the input signals, each multiplied by a specific gain based on a resistor array. The general formula is shown in the figure 1. Here, R1, R2, and R3 act as potentiometers where we can adjust their individual resistance values to independently increase or decrease the gain of each input. Applying these formulas, we modeled our circuit in Proto simulation software. The simulation clearly demonstrated the theoretical behavior, showing how the multiple input signal combine to form a single amplified output wave, before we move to the physical assembly. Here we have the practical circuit built on the protoboard. We have connected the three inputs of the configuration to the different outputs of the signal generators. We are monitoring each of the inputs by connecting an oscilloscope probe to each of them, and connecting the fourth oscilloscope probe to the output of the op-amp configuration. We can see the signals on the oscilloscope represented by different colors: input 1 in yellow, input 2 in blue, and input 3 in magenta. In green is the resulting output signal, which successfully reflects the mathematical sum of the three inputs. To clearly observe the summing effect in real time, we start turning off the input signals one by one. First, the magenta signal drops to 0, and you can immediately see the green output signal decreases in amplitude, since it is now only summing the yellow and blue waves. We repeat this by turning off another input, leaving only the blue signal active. The green output adjusts accordingly, acting as a standard amplifier for that single signal. Finally, we turn off the last signal, showing how the output signal tends towards 0. All the theoretical framework, mathematical modeling, and circuit designs demonstrated today were referenced from the book Electronic Devices and Circuit Theory by Bolestad and Ashelsky in the Spanish edition. Thank you for joining me in this analysis, and I will see you in the next laboratory report.